Hi all. See this in this particular problem we need to find out the area of the given region, right? Now where it says that the given function given region is bounded by the function x minus 1 and 2 root x. But here one small changes are there that here use the box function, right? So let's see the write down the region, right? So therefore we'll say the region region E now can easily be written as A is equal to x minus 1 less than equal to y less than equal to 2 root x, and A2 the same region will become x minus 1 multiplied by 2 less than equal to y less than equal to 2 root x. So the first case, right, our x is belongs to the interval 0 to 1, and the second case x belongs to the intervals 1 to 2. Okay, that's it. Because see that when that function is between 0 to 1 or 1 to 2, right, the function is changed its value, right? So therefore we can easily understand that, right? So this is the reason, right? So now obviously we can see that x minus 1 and 2x minus 1 is a straight line, right? It's a straight line. And the other case, right, that 2 root x is a represent that y square equal to 4x, right? So therefore it's a parabola, right? So therefore we can easily understand that plot, right? Let's draw that plot and then discuss that. So therefore see that between x equal to 0 to x equal to 1, the region A1 is bounded by the curve, right, is x minus 1. So therefore the curve here is y is equal to x minus 1. This is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. This is x is equal to 2. This curve is actually y is equal to 2 times of x minus 1. And that uppermost curve is always y is equal to 2 root x. That's it. So that's actually the problem, right? Now we need to find out this area. So I assume that the area in this part, right, less than 1, that's we can write down as area A1. This is the region area A2, right? So the total area is A1 plus A2, right? So that's it. That's we are actually looking for, right? So now see that what is the area A1? It's actually bounded by x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. My topmost curve is y equal to 2 root x, and the lowermost curve is actually y equal to x minus 1. So therefore what is the area? So therefore we can easily write the area A1 is equal to integration of 0 to 1, the topmost curve that actually 2 root x minus the bottom curve y equal to x minus 1. So that's the area. So now our job is to find this definite integration, right? So this is a very easy definite integration, right? So apply that formula and let's see that how to calculate. So let's see that it definitely gives me that 2 x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus x squared divided by 2 plus x 0 to 1. So obviously 0 became meaningless. So therefore it becomes as, if I trying to calculate A1, it gives me that 4 by 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So that gives me that, it gives me 4 by 3 plus half. 6 is the LCM. So therefore we'll get it as 8 plus 3. And that's why it's 11 divided by 6. So that's the area A1. Now we need to calculate the area A2. What is the area A2? The topmost curve is 2 root x, bottommost curve is actually 2x minus 1, and it lies between x equal to 1 to x equal to 2. So therefore we can easily write that A2 is definitely equal to 1 to 2, 2 times of root x minus 2 times of x minus 1 dx. So therefore it's implied that take 2 taken common, it's 1 to 2 root x minus x plus 1 dx. Let's calculate that. So that gives me that 2 times of, now we'll integrate. So therefore it gives me that 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 minus x squared divided by 2 plus x goes from 2 to 1. That's it. Now, our job is to substitute the appropriate values and get it done, right? So that's our main area problem is done. So let's go ahead. So if I solve it, right, we'll say that 2 by 3, 2 to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 square by 4, so it's 2 plus 2 plus, sorry, not plus, it should be minus sign. I made a mistake. So it's minus 2. Now we'll put the 1 value. So therefore it's 2 by 3 minus half plus 1, and that's it. Okay, so see that we just substitute the appropriate values. Now our next job is to obviously calculate the appropriate values, right? Let's go ahead and calculate. So therefore, you'll see that it's imply that 2, it gives me that 2 by 3, 2 into root 2 for 2 to the power 3 by 2, and the next will be minus 2. We'll have it as 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So that gives me that 4 into 2, so 8 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 times. Here the LCM is 6, so therefore we'll get it as 4 plus 3, and that's why the final answer is 8 root 2 divided by 3 minus 7 by 3. So that's the area. So therefore the total area A will be written as 8 root 2 divided by 3 minus 7 by 3 plus A1, that's 11 by 6. Basically, we need to add A1 plus A2. So that gives me that 8 root 2 divided by 3 plus 6 is the LCM, 11 minus 7, 2 are 14. That gives me that 8 root 2 divided by 3 minus half. And that's why, obviously, for this problem, option A is the right answer. And that's it. So basically, we need to understand that A2 and A1, right? The remaining all is straightforward and that definite integration, right? That's it. Hope you understood the problem. Thank you.